What's up, my name's Technoba here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be discussing a really common issue that happens with Call of Duty Black Ops, Cold War, multiplayer, or even the Zombies game mode. If you're playing a game with friends, or possibly even just yourself, and you click on a game mode, you may see an error pop up on the screen stopping you from searching, saying something about players are missing a certain DLC or certain content. Now, of course, that is an error and it shouldn't be happening as everyone has all of the content currently. So what exactly do we need to do to fix this? Well, the simplest solution is of course a game restart, but before we get that dramatic, what you can do is simply head into multiplayer, click on quick play and simply search for anything. After it searches, and you can see at the very top it says searching, you can back out and head back to zombies or whatever you were doing previously and things should work a lot better. However, sometimes of course you'll restart your game, you'll come back and you'll still have the issue if you're playing with friends. Why exactly is this? Well, it's simply that one of your friends is experiencing an issue and they need to restart their game too. If you're in a lobby with a whole bunch of friends, the host should go ahead and try to do a quick match search, then restart their game, and if for some reason you're still experiencing an issue, you can go ahead and restart all of your games and things should work just fine. Of course, it is a bug, and it's something that the developers probably do know about, as it's pretty widespread and common. Though, because it's so easy to fix, it's probably low down on their priorities list. Regardless, it's a bug, you shouldn't be experiencing it, and it's not something wrong on your PC or console. All you have to do is try quick play or restart your game. It's super simple. If for some reason you're still experiencing issues and you're on PC or console for that matter, you can verify the game files. To do this on Blizzard, simply open up the Blizzard launcher, then select Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War if it's already here, otherwise visit All Games, and select it from the list here. After you open it up and you see this screen here, click the settings button next to play and then simply click scan and repair. This will run through all of the files on your local computer, and if something's corrupt or missing, it'll be fixed or re-downloaded. It's super simple and it'll go ahead and fix most of the issues that you could be experiencing with the game. But of course, this is something that happens to everyone with this specific glitch. But anyways, that's about it for this quick video. Hopefully you found something useful in it. My name's been Technoba here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!